Welcome back to the My Channel, Cardano fam and ADA gang. We have tons of exciting updates to unpack today, so hit that subscribe button and smash that like because things are moving fast. Cardano ADA's 24-hour trade volume reached as high as $500 million, according to CoinGecko, and CoinMarketCap ranks Cardano as the 10th most bullish daily trending cryptocurrency, with Midnight also ranked as the 10th most voted cryptocurrency. Emergo CEO Philip Pond says the founding entities Intersect and Midnight are delivering and are confident that we are stronger together, including the community, emphasizing that together we are stronger. USDCX is just the beginning of core integrations, with more to come for USDCX as well as LayerZero, Pith, Dune, and many others. IOG and Intersect launched Cardano Node version 10.6.2, focused on structural improvements, tracing enhancements, and preparation for upcoming protocol upgrades. IOG reports that the Hydra team relaunched monthly Hydra working group sessions with a stronger focus on real-world users and production feedback. Hydra's upcoming version 1.3 release includes fee calculation fixes, snapshot improvements, and memory optimizations. Hydra's key use cases, including Delta DeFi and Masumi, presented their experience using Hydra as a scaling solution, with production hardening and developer experience improvements identified as key focus areas for the next iteration. Regarding Laos, IOG advances it closer to mainnet with steady progress on prototype implementation and parameter consolidation. The prototype is now minting and diffusing endorser blocks, including large blocks with hundreds of transactions, and IOG has performed realistic simulations for Laos to study mempool fragmentation and transaction propagation under overload. The team remains on track to deliver a document in early March consolidating findings on safe protocol parameters, proving that slow and steady wins the race. IOG confirms that Laos's prototype demonstrates clear end-to-end behavior, and as a recap, Laos will uplift Layer 1 throughput from 10 TPS to 500 TPS in the first release, a 50x improvement, with a public testnet set for the end of the year, and IOG aims to release Laos this year. Cap upgrades. Bitcoin staking on Bitcoin testnet 4, the latest Bitcoin testnet BIP94, and Cardano pre-production version 0.9.0.92, with a dashboard to track all UTXO mappings and protocol metrics, plus UX and UI improvements, advancing native non-custodial BTC staking closer to mainnet. IOG highlights that multiple spot ETFs will require an institutional custodial vendor for storing ADA or Cardano native assets, and they are integrating the biggest institutional custodial vendor, Fireblocks, which is a titan in the space, showing exciting prospects for institutional products, whether ETFs, ETPs, or otherwise. Perpetuals are also highlighted, showing strong, agile development and cross-chain expansion, proving that Cardano is moving fast, nimble, and expanding effectively, choosing simplicity, executing well, and now growing. V2 public mainnet is planned within the next 2 weeks, with a possibility of announcing an official date as early as next week. The app is fast, smooth, and competitive with the top perpetual products in the world. Cardano's LayerZero integration connects it to more than 80 blockchains, ending its isolation and enabling the movement of liquidity, users, and value across networks. Strong leadership at Midnight Foundation and Shielded ensures successful network launches, and Laos is still on schedule, helping with Layer 1 scalability, while Hydra handles over 1 million TPS on Layer 2 without issuing a token, maintaining the same ledger rules as Layer 1, ensuring off-chain and on-chain consistency. Cardano's rate of progress continues with a new Plutus version, continued icon development, Laos deployment, critical integrations like Pith as a Tier 1 oracle, and ongoing ecosystem growth, encouraging optimism, constructive problem-solving, and competitive benchmarks despite market challenges. Google Trends shows extreme bearish sentiment for Bitcoin at a 13-year high, dwarfing FTX and Luna-era lows, suggesting the bottom may be near, though timing is uncertain, with optimism that Bitcoin could surpass $200,000. SEC Chairman Paul Atkins says recent regulatory changes remove barriers and unlock access to on-chain markets, allowing broker-dealers to use stablecoins fully for conventional trading, treating them economically like money market funds, which is a big win for USDC adoption in capital markets. Overall, stablecoin wins continue, and market recovery is expected, but caution and patience are advised. USDCX testing is ongoing, ADA is at historic lows, and the overall market is dominated by fear. ADA is 279, Bitcoin 68,000, XRP 43, and we will continue monitoring developments, integrations, and market movements, emphasizing the importance of being patient, informed, and optimistic while avoiding unnecessary risk. So, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Cardano updates and insights.